Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Gudi, commercial rental property sale, commercial office space near main road junction near Peddamma Gudi. Total land is 1427 square yards. Total land 1427 square yards. Each floor 6,800 SFT. Each floor. This is front end, and that is back end. Split. That wall is splitting. This is 4,800 SFT. Back end 2,200 SFT. Ready to use for IT, bank, restaurant, hospital. Everything you can put and plug and play type. You can use it. Near Peddamma temple. Final work is going on. Only tiles work is pending. First coat paint is completed. Ready to use. Total this overall floor is 4,800 SFT. Each floor 4,800 and back end is 2,200 square feet. Inside lift, power backup. These are lifts area, corridor. This is staircase for the 4th floor, and again here this area is 2,200 square feet. 2,200 square feet. We can divide it into 600 or 800,000. We can sell it out. That is cafeteria or kitchen area. First floor, second and third sold out. 4th and 5th available. We are going next floor. This is 4th floor. Total 4,800 SFT. Ready to use. Final coat painting and tiles work are pending. Builder coating price is 13,500 rupees per square feet. Per square feet 13,500 rupees. And the undivided share is 120 square yards. Undivided share is 120 square yards. And 9 car parks available. Each floor 9 car parks. This area is total 4,800. That is lift area and back end 2,200 square feet. Total 6,800 SFT, including this area and this area. Ready to use. Already nearby gated community and high-rise apartments and commercial space available here. This area is 2,200. Here Jubilee Hills Peddamma temple. Commercial office space, plug and play area. Total 1,427 square yards. Each floor 6,800 SFT. First G, first second sold out. Third, fourth available. Ready to use. Bank loan available. Per square feet 13,500 rupees. Ready to use. Office, bank purpose, hospital, restaurant, supermarkets, IT, BPO, everything you can use it. Near Madhapur, High-Tech City also very nearby. We are going third floor from the staircase. How do you view? Present tiles work, paint work started. This is third floor, 4,800 SFT, and this is 2,200 SFT. Total 6,800 SFT. Work is going on. Within 2 months, total work completed. We can put the offices water services. This also 4,800, and this 2,200 SFT. We are going second floor. Already these sold out. People are doing their work. 4,800 SFT. First floor. (2,200 square feet). On ground floor. Double cellar, each floor 9 car parks, ready to use. This is front end view. This is front end view.